Hey everybody, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get straight into the video. Right here I am applying mascara to my real lashes first, and I just needed to touch up my eyeliner, so I'm gonna do that real quick. These are lashes from my very own collection, Be Lash. Check out the packaging, girl. Today I am wearing style Queen. Again, these are from my own line. Shop with your girl for your minks, boo boo. But yeah, so the first thing you want to do is remove your lashes from the pack. Nice and cute, perfect for this look that I'm doing. You're gonna want to grab a mirror to start off with, and looking down is going to be the key component of this video. You want to look down into the mirror so that you can see your own lash line and where to place your lashes. And here I'm just measuring out the length. This lash fits perfectly because I am reusing a pair. But in the case that it didn't, you would want to cut any excess length off so that you could get the perfect fit for you. I'm going to be using this eyelash glue that I got from the hair store, and it is eyelash glue, not hair glue. You can use other brands, but I just prefer the other one because this kiss takes too long to dry, but to each his own. Here in this clip, I'm showing you where to hold the lash with your tweezers. I'm holding it by the base so that I could have a sturdy hand with applying it and applying the glue. I'm just applying a thin layer across the band, not too much, not too less. This lash glue literally takes like 8 seconds to dry, which is why I love it, and it lasts all day. Like I said earlier, the key to this video is to look down in the mirror that you're holding so that you can see your own lash line. And it's like you're landing a plane, like you're trying to drive the boat, and you need to land that lash right on top of yours or in the landing strip, whatever analogy you want to use. Dock the boat, but just boom, put it right there where it needs to go. And then I'm going to lift the edges to make sure, nothing's poking me. Everything is straight across. So you see here, I'm just lifting the edges to make sure they're on my lash line, and pushing them back. Here I'm just using the tweezers to squeeze my lashes and the false lashes together. If you're a beginner, I would just recommend using your fingers like I'm about to show you here. Just use your fingers to squeeze both your lashes and the false lashes together so that they are evenly blended. I think they also make beginner tweezers that you can buy too, that'll make it easier for you. But, you're all done. And now I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. But can we just get into these brows, get into these lashes, girl? A queen wearing style queen, doing queen things. My hair is 2 weeks old, but you still look good. The edges, they will do. So again, I'm just looking down in my mirror, and I'm taking my lash and I'm just applying it directly to my lash line. And I'm lifting those edges to make sure everything is nice and perfect and even. Squeezing those lashes together, my lashes and the false lashes, and you are done, girl. Once again, I'm wearing Style Queen from my very own lash line, Be Lashed. This step is optional. I'm just putting a little mascara on for just an extra blend. But yeah, get into it. I hope this helped you. As always, thank you for watching, and the link to my website will be in the description box. Thank you.